Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jerry Rain, and today is Wednesday. So, everybody, as soon as we get the car on the road, the first thing that we do is fill up the CNG. We've got a trip जो कि अच्छा खासा ट्रिप है. इट्स अ लॉन्ग ट्रिप. नवी मुंबई के लिए है. आई थिंक इट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक अराउंड much longer time to drop off the customer, but yeah, let's see.
Take the next right, then you will arrive at your destination.
So are there people?
New message from Ankita. Weston.
2918.
जी
It's the incorrect pin.
इनकरेक्ट है क्या 2913
2913. Okay, got it.
Turn left. Turn left, then turn right. Your destination is on the right.
$890.
थैंक यू
You're welcome. Have a good day.